When Westfield resident Marie Yvon received a request for a respirator mask from a healthcare worker friend, she knew that finding just one would not be enough. The self-employed house painter used her connections to come up with 31 masks, but quickly realized that there was a far greater need for the surgical type masks, the ones worn by healthcare providers and first responders every day. So she turned to social media for help. Producer Dave Fraser brings us the story.
I think it was March 22nd, Heidi and I started this group, and instantly people were reaching out. I can help, I can sew. I've been sewing these masks. They started to share patterns. There was an instant positivity and a community spirit that was beautiful. You know, I don't know how else to say it.
Marie Yvon and Heidi Leonard found each other on Facebook. Both saw a need for masks in their community. Masks for healthcare workers, first responders, and those working on the front lines.
Yeah, Westfield was really low. They had about a week's worth of masks left. They were scrambling to secure new ones and find more, just like the hospitals. We'd been hearing that from everyone.
And they were concerned because they were told they were going to have to reuse their N95 masks, and they asked if I could construct something so they could put something over so they would have an extra layer of protection. So that's really where the need started, was those that are directly impacted in working with the COVID-19 patients.
The women then contacted friend and former Westfield firefighter Kurt Kazotis to see if the cloth masks they were making could be used by first responders.
As a fireman, we used to change our mask with every call. Well, there's not enough masks to go around, so they have to wear the same mask. So we said, let's put a cloth mask over the N95. And hopefully it will get a little bit extra life and make that N95 more effective.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it over.
In a few short weeks, the women had assembled about 30 people who could sew. They had gotten donations of both money and material, and they had volunteers willing to get the masks to the people who needed them most.
But this one in particular is really easy because it comes right up over. And with a little adjusting, it protects the paper mask.
Prior to delivery, all masks are washed in hot water, dried and double bagged, and the package includes directions that ask the recipient to wash and dry the mask again. Westfield Police Captain Mike McCabe is one of the volunteers delivering the masks.
You go to the different nursing homes that are in desperate need of these masks. While you can't see their faces because everybody's gowned up and gloved up and have masks across their faces, you can certainly see it in their eyes, and they're tremendously appreciative of what mask makers are doing, and I'm kind of proud to be a part of it.
We started a mission here, was to help the citizens and the first responders and the healthcare workers of Westfield. So we've started with the hospitals, the first responders, and now we're working towards the nursing homes. The hope and goal is that everybody in Westfield gets a mask.
It's keeping people busy, it's making them feel good about what they're doing, and they're helping as well. And I can't say enough about the community coming together as a whole to help the people on the front lines. And that's what this whole thing is about.